Have you ever experienced the roller coaster of emotions that comes with having a crush on someone? Whether it's a friend, a colleague, a celebrity, or a stranger, crushing on someone can be both exciting and nerve-wracking. It can also be confusing as you try to figure out if they like you back, or if they even know you exist. In this video, we will explore the 6 stages that most people go through when they have a crush on someone and how to deal with them. We will also give you some tips on how to express your feelings and make a move, if you want to. Stage 1. Interest. This is when you notice someone for the first time and feel a spark of attraction. It could be their appearance, their voice, their personality, or something else that catches your eye. You may feel curious about them and want to know more about them. You may also feel nervous or shy around them and try to avoid eye contact or conversation. Stage 2. Curiosity. The second stage. This is when you start to do some research on your crush, either online or offline. You may check their social media profiles, their posts, their likes, their comments, and their stories. You may also ask your friends or mutual acquaintances about them, or try to find out more about their hobbies, interests, goals, and preferences. You may also look for signs of compatibility or commonality between you and your crush. Stage 3. Infatuation. This is when you start to feel obsessed with your crush and think about them all the time. You may fantasize about being with them or imagine scenarios where they confess their feelings to you. You may also feel butterflies in your stomach whenever you see them, hear from them, or talk to them. You may also feel jealous or insecure if you see them with someone else, or if they don't pay attention to you. Stage 4. Sharing. This is when you start to tell your friends or family about your crush and seek their advice or opinion. You may also ask them to help you get closer to your crush or to set up a date or a hangout. You may also share your feelings with your crush indirectly by sending them hints, compliments, jokes, memes, or flirts. You may also try to impress them by showing off your skills, talents, or achievements. Stage 5. Action. This is when you decide to make a move on your crush and express your feelings directly. You may ask them out on a date, confess your feelings in person or through a letter or a message, kiss them unexpectedly, or do something romantic or creative for them. You may also prepare yourself for rejection or acceptance and plan what to do next. Stage 6. Resolution. The 6th and final stage of having a crush is resolution. This is when you find out if your crush likes you back or not, and how to proceed with your relationship. If they like you back, congratulations! You have successfully turned your crush into something more. You may start dating them officially, or keep it casual for now. If they don't like you back, don't worry. You have learned from this experience, and you can move on with dignity and grace. You may stay friends with them, or cut off contact with them. These are the 6 stages that most people go through when they have a crush on someone. Of course, these stages are not fixed or universal, and different people may experience them differently. The best way to handle your crush is to be yourself. Be honest, be respectful, and be brave. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. We would love to hear from you. See you next time!